Welcome, everyone, to our channel. In the flow of history and evolution, there's a phenomenon that has persisted, always carrying disturbing implications. Inbreeding. This isn't just a biological issue. It's a cultural, social, and even political aspect that has shaped many dynasties and communities. Today, we'll delve into the history and consequences of inbreeding, from ancient monarchies to isolated modern communities, exploring the motivations behind it and its detrimental effects on genetic health. 1. The motivations behind inbreeding. Historically, inbreeding was often driven by various factors, not merely a lack of genetic understanding. Maintaining a pure lineage, especially in royal and aristocratic families, inbreeding was seen as a way to preserve blue blood, preventing mixing with those considered inferior. Consolidating power and controlling alliances. Marrying within the family helped keep power, wealth, and political influence in the hands of a few, avoiding division or weakening of authority. 2. Serious consequences of inbreeding. Despite these motivations, the genetic consequences of inbreeding are profoundly serious. It significantly increases the likelihood of inheriting undesirable traits and raises the risk of recessive genetic diseases. When two closely related individuals have children, the probability of offspring receiving two copies of the same disease-causing recessive gene from both parents becomes much higher. 3. Notable historical examples. Human history is filled with tragic examples of the consequences of inbreeding. Egyptian pharaohs. To maintain the purity of their divine lineage, pharaohs often married their sisters or close family members. King Tutankhamun is a prime example. He suffered from numerous physical deformities and severe health issues due to inbreeding. The Habsburg dynasty. This powerful European dynasty was famous for its distinctive Habsburg jaw, a pronounced protruding lower jaw, along with countless associated health problems, all consequences of generations of inbreeding. The British monarchy. Inbreeding also contributed to the spread of hemophilia in European royal families, including the British monarchy, through intermarriage. 4. Inbreeding in isolated communities. Not limited to royalty, inbreeding has also been a challenge in isolated communities where the gene pool is restricted by geography or culture. Tristan da Cunha Island. A famous example is the community on Tristan da Cunha Island, where significantly higher rates of genetic disorders are observed due to a limited gene pool and intermarriage within the community. 5. Inbreeding in animals and modern efforts. The challenges of inbreeding are not confined to humans, but are also a major issue in animal conservation programs, where populations have been severely reduced. Florida panthers. Conservation programs for endangered species like the Florida panther have faced the problem of inbreeding, leading to health and reproductive issues. Efforts to increase genetic diversity through the introduction of external individuals are crucial. 6. Modern tools and ethical considerations. Today, modern science provides crucial tools to address the issue of inbreeding. Genetic testing and genetic counseling. These are vital tools for identifying risks and making informed decisions about family planning, especially for couples who are related by blood. Laws and ethics. Laws related to inbreeding vary across jurisdictions, reflecting ongoing debates about individual freedom and public health. 7. Inbreeding in fiction and media. Inbreeding is also a frequent subject explored in fiction and media, from classic works to modern historical dramas. Game of Thrones. This popular series vividly depicted the political and genetic consequences of inbreeding within noble families. Overall, inbreeding is a complex issue with persistent negative risks and consequences throughout history and in various contexts. It underscores the importance of genetic diversity and the role of modern science in addressing the challenges posed by inbreeding. What are your thoughts on this issue and the associated historical stories? please leave your comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more profound and important history stories. See you in the next video.